Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to my Adobe Photoshop tutorial. My name is TJSTYLE and in today's video I'm going to show you the last of the new added blur effects in Adobe Photoshop, and that is actually the tilt shift effect. So import your photo into Photoshop and duplicate it, okay, and go to filter, blur and tilt shift. Now this is again a very easy effect, but it is a little different than the field blur and the tilt and the iris blur. So the way this thing works is, instead of having a circle or an ellipse like you have in iris blur, we have these bands or bars that define the blurriness and the clear parts of the image. So as you can see, I'm having this beak or his face absolutely clear, but things over here, if you see below over here, they're all blurry, and in the middle part, okay, in the middle section, it's getting like, there's a small smooth transition from clear to blurry, and therefore, I really like this effect. But once again, it's a little confusing on where you have to apply it. I'm sorry. Yeah, so how you can work with this effect is, you can just select the point or the node, and then you can just go over here, to these 2 points. One is going to be over here, the second is over here, and just rotate the thing like the rotation works in my case, depending on what you're working with, it may or may not work. And I just invested a little time thinking about how you can work with this image. And once again, these bars are not as in they're not connected, so just in case if you're thinking, if I move one of these, then the other one will not move. So just in case if you are wondering if that was possible. Anyway, just move these closer, and then you can even move these around. So if you want the transition to be a little more area, it should be covering a little more area, it should be a little slower or smoother or more smoother, then you can just play with the distance between these two lines. As you can see, it creates a very nice good effect. And once you are happy with your effect, you can just you can just click OK over here, and in the blur tools you have the same blur effects. But I think that the default 15 pixel blur I think is fine for me. I'm just going to click OK now, and as you can see, the blur effect has been applied. You can see this, Control Z, the difference. And with a little bit of text inside the image, it can really make a full difference. So you can see, wait a sec, I'll just show you. So you can see this effect is really good, and you can do lots and lots of different kind of things with this. So go out there, use this effect on your images and try to see what kind of effects can you create. And this, I think, is a little tricky effect. Okay, you need to think on where you have to apply it, but really I think it is a good effect, and you should definitely try to think and come up with some good ideas on where you can use this effect. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.